Good morning, class!
Good morning, Ma'am.
Okay, so I am your teacher in mathematics. So let us first review our previous lesson. So what was our previous lesson, class?
About the place value.
Okay, so about the place value of a number. Okay, so let us check if you have mastered our previous lesson. So I have here a set of numbers. So what is the place value of this number?
10.
Okay, so this number belongs to the place of value of
10.
tens. Okay, so how about this one?
10,000.
Okay, so this belongs to the 10,000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and 100,000. So our topic for today is about numbers and number sense. Okay, so we have here the three topics. So first is read and write numbers up to 100,000 in symbol and in words. Okay, so I have here an activity. So our title of our activity is
My perfect
My
match.
Perfect Match. Okay, so in column A, we have here the symbol of the numbers. And in column B, the words of the numbers. Okay, so who wants to answer 11? Okay, Mikey Izel. Okay, so 11, the 11 is mauni iya ang words na answers. Okay, how about 25? Who wants to answer? Okay, Sim Brian. Okay, so the symbol 25, the words of 25 is here. So 25. How about 16? Okay, make a shade. Okay, so the words of 16 is this one. Okay, how about 41? What's the answer? Okay, Mikey Izel. Okay, so the word of 41 is this one. So this is 41. Okay, how about 33? Okay, Sim Brian. Okay. So the words of 21 is this one. So 33. How about 5? Who wants to answer? Okay, Mika Shane. Okay, so this one is the words of 5. Okay, how about 48? Who wants to answer? Okay, si Brian. Okay, so the words of 41, 48 is this one. How about 70? Make a shade. Okay, how about 55? Okay, make a shade. So how about 88? Okay. Okay, good job, class. So, the 11, the words of 11 is this one. Then 25. Then 16. Then 41. then 33, then 5, then 48, then 70, then 55, and then the last one is 88. Okay. The discussion about the reads and write numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words. So we have here as steps on how to read and write numbers up to 100,000 in symbols and in words. Okay, so step 1. Can you read, class?
Put each digits to
To
its
each place value. Step 2.
Separate three digits from right to left using a
Comma. Okay. So step 3.
Read and write the numbers starting from left. Remember to read and write each group by 3 digits.
Okay, so I have here a 2 example. So as you can see in the first example, what is this? How do you read this number, class?
855,975.
So unsa giingon sa step 1, class?
Put each digit to its
Place value. Okay, so we are going to put each digit to its place value. So what is our number, class?
855,975.
Okay, so let us put first the digit into its place value. So, aman ang place value diri, class? So, naadri, that's
Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000.
Okay, so, asa na to ibutang si 5?
Sa ones.
Okay, so ibutang to si 5 sa
Ones.
ones. Okay. So, how about si 7?
Tens.
Si 9?
Hundreds.
Okay, ni hundreds. How about si 5?
Thousands.
How about si 5?
10,000.
10,000. How about si 8?
100,000.
Okay. So, nahuman na nato ang step 1. So, let's forward to the step 2. Okay, so in step 2, separate 3 digits from the right to left using a comma. Okay, so i-separate na nato ang 3 digit, then mag-use ta og comma. So, let's count 1 to 3 digit, then let us put a comma. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then so sige ngon, kung 1, 2, 3,
Butang kama.
okay, butangan siya og comma. So let's put here a comma. Okay, so in step 3, ang sige ngon,
Read and write the numbers starting from left. Remember to read and write each group by 3 digits.
Okay, so by 3 digits, as read this number, class? 855,975. How are we going to write this number in words? Okay, so let us write this number. Let us write this number in words. Okay, so 8. Asa siya nabilang? 800. Okay, so let us first write the 800.
800,000.
Okay, next is 50.
5.
Okay, so 55.
855.
Asa nabili ang 855? Sa?
Thousands.
Okay, so sa thousands group. So let us put the saan eh? What is this, guys?
Kama.
Comma. Okay, so comma. So what is the next?
900.
Okay, so ano siya nabilang sa?
Units.
Sa?
100.
Okay, 100. Next is
75.
Okay, so the words of this number is, so let us read class.
855,955.
5. Okay, so next we have done the second example. So in second example, in words siya class. So let us convert it into
Numbers.
symbols. Okay, so since our topic is about read and write up to
100,000
in symbol and in words. Okay, so let us convert it into symbols. Okay, so 75,000. So how are we going to write this one? So 70, asa man siya nabilong nga group? Sa 10,000. Okay, so let us first write the 75. So asa siya nabilong? 1,000. So musa tayong butang dire? Kama. Okay, a kama. Then next is 2. So 203. So how are we going to write that number? 2. So pila wala zero ang tens. Then
3.
okay. So this one is the symbol of this word, which is the 75,000, 203. Okay. So remember the steps class in read and writes numbers up to 100,000 in symbol and in words. So dapat i-follow ninyo na mga steps. Okay, so we have here the 3. The step 1, step 2, and
step 3.
step 3. Okay. So our next topic is about round numbers to the nearest 10, down to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, so we have here the steps on how to round the numbers to the nearest 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, so I have here an example. So round off 36,578 to the nearest thousands. Okay, so atong isulat sa say 36,578. Okay, so thousands daw. Round off 36,576 to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so aman si thousands dire. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000. Okay, unsa gingon?
Underline
thousands. Okay, so isa tong i-underline yung number 6. 6. Okay. Step 2.
Circle the digit to the right.
Right. Okay, so aman ang right ani? Kani. Okay, so right ni 6. Si 5. Okay, so i-circle nato si 5 kasi siya ang right ni 6. Okay, so number 3. If it's 5 to 9, round up,
add 1.
Okay, so si 5 nakaabot ba siya og 5? Kaingon man 5 to 9. Nakaabot ba siya og 5 class? Okay, so kani siya nakaabot siya og 5. Okay, so if it's 4 to 0, round down. Okay, so number 4. Step
Everything after is a 0,
not more. Okay, so ingon sa number 3, if it is 5 to 9, mag-add ta og usa o 1. Okay, so maunsa naman si 36? Mas 7 na siya class. Okay. So unsa ingon? Everything after
is a 0, not more.
Okay, so maunsa na si 5?
Mahimong 4.
Mahimong Unsay gingon?
Mahimong 0.
Okay, 0. Okay. So si 7,
Mahimong 7. Mahimong...
unsa dapan?
Mahimong 0.
Okay, mahimong 0 si 8.
Mahimong 0.
Okay, so ingana ang mag round off taog number class. So mahimo na siya ang 36,578. Mahimo siya og 37,000. Okay, so unsa maunay pag round off sa number. So unsay primero class? Kung unsay gipangita imong underline. So ang gipangita sa tong example kay si thousands man, so i-underline nimo si
Si 5.
si thousands.
1,000.
Okay, so then sunod kay i-circle nimo ang right sa gipangita nga i-round off. Okay. Sunod kung mo abot siya kung 5 to 9 siya class unsa i-add?
Usa.
Mo add ka og 1. Okay. So kung dili siya moabot class kung 4 to 0 na siya, dili siya pwede ma-add og 1. Okay. So mahimo na dayong 0 ang uban nga number. Okay. So let's move to the compares numbers up to 100,000 using relation symbols. In comparing number class, what are the symbols that we use? So in comparing numbers, we use this symbol. So do you know what is this symbol class? No, it is a less than. Okay, so kani, how about this one? Kani, a greater than. How about this one? And equal. Okay, so this symbol is equal, then the less than, and the greater than. So kabalo ko class that you are confusing of the less than and greater than symbols. Imong gamiton nga L shape is imo ang right hand, mao na siya greater than. So remember class, right hand nimo nga mag L shape ka is what we call the greater than symbol. Okay, so like this one. So kani siya greater than. Kung left pud imong gamiton, less than siya. Imong gamiton nga hand is left. So imong mabuo kay ang less than nga symbol. Okay, so unsa ni class? Less than. Okay. So kani the greater than. Okay. So I have here an activity. Unsa title sa tong activity class?
Let's compare numbers.
Okay, so let's compare numbers. So how do we compare numbers? Comparing numbers, we use symbols such as greater than, equals, and less than. I have here a set of circle in column A and a set of circle in column B. So let us count to compare the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pila ka book ang circle sa column A? 5. Okay, so how about the column B? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, so 7. So asay mas daghan class? Ang set A nga circle or ang set B? Okay, so ang set B. So unsa nga symbols atong gamiton?
Greater than.
Okay, so ato ang gamiton kay
Less than.
very good class. So atong gamiton sa number 1 kay
Greater.
Less
take
than.
note that kung mag-compare ta og numbers, ang open arrow kay mo face sa nga number. So ang iyang arrowhead kay mo face sa smaller nga number. Okay, so number 2. So proceed to number 2. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So pila ka book set of circles dire?
12.
Okay, so sa set B.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so we have here the 6 circles. So asay mas daghan class?
Ang column A.
Okay, column A. So unsa tong gamiton nga symbol? Unsa nga symbol?
Less than.
Okay, so
Greater
Okay,
than.
so atong gamiton sa number 2 kay
Less than.
Greater
compare nga
than.
numbers, ang ang open head sa arrow kay mo face sa
Sa
bigger number. So ang iyang arrowhead
Sa
mo face sa
smaller.
smaller number. Okay, so number 3. So let us count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. How about this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so parehas sila og parehas sila kada duna. Usa man tong gamiton nga symbol class.
Equal.
Okay, so equal ato ang gamiton nga boss. Okay, kay pareha kanang equal atong gigamit.
Kay pareha.
Kay parehas sila og
Number.
amount sa number. Okay, so how about dili picture atong gamiton class in comparing a number? So how about kung kuan siya? Kung
21.
number siya dili siya picture. Unsa atong button class? So in sa mutan-aw pa sa pinaka highest nga kuan. So asay mas dako si 2 o si 3?
Si 3.
Okay, so si 3 unsa atong gamiton?
Kaan? Greater than.
Okay, so
Less than.
okay, so
21 is less than 39.
okay, so compare numbers up to
100,000
using
relation
relation
symbols.
symbols. So I have here an example class. So let us compare these two set of numbers. So in left side unsa nga number?
23,572.
In the right side,
23,592.
So let us first put it into its place value. So asa sila nabilang? So kanis ito, aba na siya. Sa
Hawans.
okay, so ones. How about sa 7?
Sa tens.
Sa 10, si 5.
Hundreds.
Sa 100. Si 3.
Thousands.
Si 2.
10,000.
Okay, to 10,000. Dito sa right side na po na number. So asa ibutan si 2?
Sa ones.
Sa 1. How about si 9?
Sa tens.
Sa 10. How about si 5?
Hundreds.
Sa 100. Si 3?
Thousands.
1,000. Si 2?
10,000.
10,000. Okay, so let us compare these two set of numbers. So class, asay dako nito? Asay dako?
Pareha.
Oh, okay, equal sa sila. Sa next, asay dako ni 3?
Pareha lang equal.
Pariha na Japon. Si 5?
Pareha lang.
Oh, equal. Dili kinsa dako ni 7 o si
Si
9? Si 9. Si 2, pariha na sila. So kinsa mas dako nila class?
Ang kanang 23,522.
So unsa to ang symbol nga gamiton?
Ay din ay kanang
Okay.
greater than.
Ato ang gamiton diri kay
Greater than.
Less
note
than.
class that in comparing two numbers, the open side of the symbols is facing the bigger number, and the arrowhead is pointing the smaller number. Okay. So what symbols do we use in comparing number class? So the less than
Was greater than
and
equal.
equal. So those are the symbols that we use in comparing numbers. Okay, class. So this morning we will have an activity. So I prepared here a 3 group activity. So since gamay raman mo class, so you are going to first answer the group 1. Okay, so group 1, write the numbers in symbols. So I give you 266,713. So you are going to write it in symbol. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes. Then later you will present your answer here. Okay, class. Answer this group activity. time is up, class. So you are going to present here now your answer. Okay. Okay, Mika Shane, go to the board. Okay, so let us check your answer. So, 200. Okay, in the 100 place. Then, 6,000. So, 10,000 is becomes 0. Then, 6 is that in the 1,000 place. Okay. Then, 7 in the hundreds. Then, we have 13. Okay, so, okay, 206,713. This is the in symbol. Okay, good job, group 1. Okay, so let's give the group 1 the very good clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay, so now proceed to the group 2. Group 2. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes. Then you will present the answer here. Okay, time is up, class. So this time you will present your answer on the board. Okay, so let us check your answer. Okay. So, first, what is the question, class? Round of 53,248 to the nearest 1,000. So, asa ang 1,000 rin, class? Ang number 3. So, si 3 ang naasa 1,000 place. Okay, so, si 2, nakaabot ba siya og 5? Wala. So, maad ba ta og 1? Maad ta og 1, class? Dili. Okay, so mahimo remain dyan mo siya og 53,000. So, sa mahimo nito? Mahimo siya 0. 4 become 0. 8 become 0. Okay, so the answer is 53,000. Okay, so let's give the group to the big clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay, so let's proceed the group 3. The group 3. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes to answer that group activity. Okay, time is up, class. You will present your answer here. Okay, so let us check your answer. So, 34,385 compared 34,354. So, Asay, so 3 si 3 ug si 3
Pareha.
pareha. So 4 ug 4
Pareha.
pareha. Si 3 ug si 3.
Pareha.
So si 8 ug si 5.
Si 8 ang nako.
So asay mas bigger number?
Ang 8
Okay, so unsa tong gamiton na symbol class?
ang
Greater than. Okay, so greater than ang answer sa number 1. So kay ang iyang open side kay mo face sa
sa bigger
bigger
the
numbers.
number.
Then iyang arrow point ay ang iyang arrowhead kay mo point sa smaller number. Okay, so let's proceed the number 2. So 23,768 compared to 23,786. Okay, so si 2 ug si 2,
Pareha.
si 3 ug si 3,
Pareha.
si 7 ug si 7,
Pareha.
si 6 ug si 8.
Si 8
Okay, asa mas bigger?
Si 8.
Si 8. Okay, so unsa tong gamiton?
ang
Unsa gamiton?
less
Ha?
ang
Ang less
less
than. Okay, so less than nga symbol. So ato ang answer number 2 kay less than. So ang open head, ang open side niya facing the bigger number. Okay, so in number 3,
20,100
comparing 20,001. Okay, so asa mas nako? Si 2 ug si 2.
ito
Pareha.
pareha.
Okay, si 0 ug si 0.
Pareha.
Si 0 ug si 1.
Si 1
Okay, so ang iyang open head, ang open side niya kay mo face sa 20,100 kay mas bigger siya ni 20,000. Okay, good job class. Okay, so let us give a very good clap.
1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay, so to test your understanding in our topic class, I will give you an assessment. So I prepared here a 6-item question. So the direction,
Write only the letter of your
answer.
answers.
So we have here the 3 Roman numerals. So in Roman numeral 1, so write the following numbers in symbol and in words. Then in numeral 2, round off the following. So you're going to round off the following. Then in Roman numeral number 3, use greater than, less than, and equal to compare the numbers. So get a paper and a pen and answer the question that I give to you. Then I will give you 3 minutes to answer that. Then let us check. So don't forget to write your name, class. Are you done, class?
Yes.
Okay, so let us check your numbers. So exchange paper with your seatmate. So in test 1, so let us first check the test 1. So number 1, 206,713. So aman A, B, C, or D? What's the answer?
Kaan.
Letter?
Letter C.
Okay, so letter C. So, kay 206,000. So 206,000 and 713. Okay, so number 2, 12,256. Letter A.
Letter B.
Letter A,
Letter A.
12,256. B, 75,206. Letter C, 7,005 or 23,706.
A.
Letter?
12,256.
Okay,
A.
letter A. So in test 2, round off the following. Number 1, round off to 29,526 to the nearest 1,000. Okay, so as answer, letter A, letter B, letter C. Letter
B.
Letter B. Okay, kay si amay 1,000 na to ano si
9.
si 9. Dayon si 5, kung maabot og 5 sa tumuhaton.
Full ag isa.
Okay,
Add
so
1.
add 1. So ang answer letter B, 30,000. Okay, so next, number 2. Round off 45,256 to the nearest
1,000.
10,000. So asa sa 10,000 dira class eh?
Si 4.
Si
4.
4. So si 5, si sunod ni 4 kay?
Si 5.
So nag-abot siya og
5.
Unsay button?
Add 1.
So unsay answer? Letter
B.
Letter B. 46,000.
1,000.
Okay, so sa test 3, use greater than, less than, or equal to compare the numbers. Okay, so 19,047 compare 19,407. Kisa mas musang simba itong gamiton?
Kaan B.
Great. Unsa itong gamiton? Answer letter?
Letter B.
B. Letter B. Okay. Anong letter B man class? Kay 1 plus 1 ug si 1?
1.
Equal.
Equal.
Si 9 ug si 9?
Equal.
Equal. Si 0 ug si 4?
Kaan.
Si? Kasi mas bigger.
Si Kwan.
Si 4. Si 4. Okay, so maong atong answer
Less
then kay
than.
dapat ang ato ang iyang open side kay facing the bigger number. Okay, so number 2, 11,230 compared 55,889. Unsay gamiton nato?
Kaan. Greater than.
Okay.
Less
Then,
than.
gihapon.
C.
Letter C. Check your paper of your classmate. Don't forget to write the score, class. So in test 1, number 1, letter C. In test 2, in number 2, letter A. Then in test 2, number 1, letter B. Number 2, letter B. Then in test 3, number 1, letter B. Then number 2, letter C. Okay, Shane got 6. Clap your hands to Mika, Shane. Sim Brian got 5. Mikey Isel got 6. Clap your hands to Mika Isel. Okay, so class, take note that if you compare two numbers, begin at the highest place value. So, dapat mag-una mo sa, mag-compare mo, mag-una mo sa highest place value. So, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am.